Hi Georgi, a very warm welcome to Cloud Analogy. Thank you so much for taking out time to be with us for this small feedback video where we are going to discuss about your experience working with us. So without further ado, we may start. So Georgi, we just want to know a bit more about your company in Lyft and something about yourself and your role in the company.
Definitely. So, Lyft is a startup located in Seattle, and what we do is we help a B2B marketing and sales team find better and more prospects for their own businesses. So we manage a lot of data, and we do have our own proprietary data that helps customers identify their ideal customer profile and then finds the precise companies that match this profile. One of our key value differentiators is the quality of our data and especially the technologies, the tech stacks, both software and hardware technologies that the specific company is using. But over the last few years, we've started heavily investing in CRM integrations as well, so customers can start consuming, leveraging, and using and benefiting from our data directly embedded in their CRM workflows. My role is I lead the product management team here at Lyft, and I work very closely with our engineering team, with our leadership team, and with external vendors to launch features that provide value to customers.
Thank you so much, Georgie. That was a very nice introduction. Also, we had an amazing time working with you. We've learned so many things, and genuinely, you've added a lot of value to all of us. And whatever, we've had an amazing time, and we look forward to continue more learnings from you. So further, I would like to ask you, Georgie, that how did you find Cloud Analogy? And how did this whole engagement start over?
When we decided to start investing in Salesforce, I started collecting bits, and I started reaching out both individually through Upwork, through the Salesforce marketplace itself, to individual vendors. And we actually had quite an extensive hiring or search and hiring process. And we interviewed many different companies before we settled on Cloud Analogy.
All right, thank you so much. I would like Abhishek to please take over.
Yeah, sure. So, Georgie, please let us know about the work we have done for you and your experience working with us.
Definitely, Abhishek. So, first to the work, you guys helped us launch our Salesforce application from scratch, and I'm happy to report that as of 2 weeks ago, it's now live on the AppExchange marketplace. So we started from nothing. We just had a direct API integration for Salesforce, which was in place for a few years, but we really had nothing available on AppExchange, nothing that leverages Apex or any of the other AppExchange proprietary technologies. So you guys helped us launch our application fully from scratch. All until it has passed security review and being live on AppExchange.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, please go ahead.
So your team was really instrumental on guiding us through all the different options that were available to meet our requirements. You guys were also very helpful in finalizing our requirements, because going into this project, I really knew nothing, not much, nothing about Salesforce. All the different feasibility options, all the different limitations of the platform, and all the different opportunities granted by the CRM itself. So your team was very helpful in guiding us through the different options, through understanding what are the different capabilities that are offered. And I think we both worked very well, very collaboratively, and very well together to define the best option for us to launch our solution and the best feature set to present to customers as part of our V1 implementation and then future enhancements of the solution. My experience was very positive, so really thank you again, everyone, for supporting us throughout this project. The team was very responsive. It was very technically capable. You guys did a really good job of finishing the work on a timely basis and adhering to the budget, something that I was looking forward to. And for us being a small startup in its early stages, budget and timelines were definitely two critical drivers. So definitely a positive experience. And looking back, when did we start? A few months ago. Looking back, I'm really happy with the decision that we made to go with the Cloud Analogy team.
Yeah, thank you, Georgie, for the positive feedback. Another question from my end is, please tell us about 2 points which you have found best working with us.
The responsiveness and the technical abilities. As with any project, I've been in software development and I've been in product management for many, many years now. No project does not come with its own issues, so this is expected, but I'm really happy about the responsiveness and the speed with which the team was resolving any issues, and kind of the commitment to the timelines and the tasks that we had outlined as part of this project. So there was back and forth. There were, of course, issues which we identified, but these have been very quick to resolve, and the overall adherence to the timelines was very positive as well.
Thank you, Georgie. Now, Nishal, over to you.
Yeah, Georgie, would you like to work with us in future?
Yes, Nisha, definitely. We'll be happy to. And what we have launched today is our first version. So really the basic set of functionality which we wanted to present to customers. We definitely foresee additional features or additional enhancements of our Salesforce solution, and we'll be happy to continue engaging the cloud technology team to help us with that.
Can you please tell us what should our team put for the areas of improvement?
Areas of improvement. One thing that we definitely worked on and improved over time was how we managed the project. So we started with one approach, but then over time we changed our approach to manage the different tasks, manage the different team members supporting our project. So something that we improved over time. At this point, I think we have settled on a solution that is really productive, that aligns, that brings everyone on the same page, and that's something that I can envision using forward as well. So, Nisha, at this point, there's really not much to improve because we've been working together for multiple months now, and from Enlift side, we're such a team that whenever we see an area for improvement, we just try to improve it. We do not put it on the backlog or somewhere. So over time, we've improved many of the things, if not all of the things that we felt like needed improvement.
Thanks, Georgie. Vasundhara, please conclude that.
Sure. Thank you so much, Georgie. That was a very good experience, and thank you so much for making us learn so many things. And yes, gradually we all, every project has challenges, and I feel altogether we all have come out with good solutions, and we together feel that, as part, and we just want to tell you that we are always partners with you, and we are always there for you whenever you need us. Yeah, we are just one Slack message away, so whenever you need us, we are always there for you. And thank you so much, and I would just request you that please stay in touch with us. Will you recommend us to others?
Yes, I definitely would.
Thank you so much, Georgie. Thank you so much. Do you want to add on something, Georgie?
Not from my side again. It's been a very positive experience. Actually, it was my first vendor relationship that I had to manage in Enlift, given me joining the company just a year or so ago, and we had an extensive selection process, and it was risky, of course, to select a vendor supporting a critical feature within our product set, but I'm really happy that we chose cloud technology, and the experience was definitely positive.
Thank you so much, Georgie, for your kind words, and we are looking forward to work on much more projects with you.